I think what you've got to do, three things. You've got to rethink the concept of innovation. I always say to folks, when you're thinking about innovation, you ask yourself three questions. What do I do to run this business better? What do I do to grow this business? What do I do to transform this business? And when it comes to hotels and tech, running the business better. We've been doing that, putting in technology to, help take out costs, streamline the check-in process, growing the business. How do we use social networking, to get our brand out there? I think the big thing now is how do we transform the business? We have to constantly evolve the hotel brand to seem fresh, to seem up to date, to keep up to date with expectations. So you need to rethink innovation from that perspective. The second thing is, with so much technology happening, you need to think about how you're going to do innovation. My phrase is constantly think about these three things. You've got to think big, start small, scale fast. You've got to think really big in terms of, where the trends are going to take us in terms of guest expectations and technology. You've got to start with a lot of very small projects in order to build up your expertise with all this new stuff, and you've got to learn to scale it out to hundreds of hotel locations or thousands of hotel locations. That's the second thing you need to do. The third thing you need to do, you need to get some attention. Technology is going to be the foundation of a hotel brand going forward. This is just not an expense anymore. It is an absolutely critical foundation to the value of the brand, to the role of the brand, to the success of the brand. You've got to make sure that you've got a capital expenditure budget that helps you keep up with the flood of new technologies which continue to come at us.